Which welding position do you think this is? If you know, share your answer in the comments below. Today, we're performing MIG welding, and something interesting happens during the process. As the weld progresses, the slag on the surface makes it look like there's heavy porosity underneath. It's easy to assume the weld might be full of defects. But here's the twist. Once we remove the slag, the result is clean, with no porosity at all. It's a great example of why surface appearance can be misleading. Stay tuned as we show you the final result. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.